Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show us how to create a React app from scratch. Now, before you create a React app, you need to have your JS installed on your laptop. And if you have that installed, good. If you don't have that installed, I will link a link in the description below for you to get it downloaded and installed on your laptop. Then to create a React app, you write this command npm create Vite. I'm using Vite, and there are some other persons they use you see they use nps create React app, all this kind of stuff. Either way, it's quite cool. So npm create Vite. Then if you want to have another sub folder inside of this, like for my folder is my root directory is chatbots. But if I want to have another root directory here, let's say for example I'm creating a full stack app, and I want to have the clients folder and the backend, the server folder per se. From here, I will write the client here. But since I'm not doing that, I'm just going to create that client and say dot slash. This dot slash means it should create it inside this current chatbot directory that you have there. There you go with this dash templates react and hit enter. Give it some time to load, and you select React and select JavaScript. If you're using TypeScript, you can go ahead and select TypeScript over there. Then from here, you cd into actually not cd. From here, you run npm install I for short. Then you give it some time. It's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes based on your network that you are using, and get all the dependencies installed. Okay, after some time, it has finished installing all the dependencies. Now, to know if your React app is working really fine, run npm and then I hit enter. Then you follow this link, and there we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends. See you guys in another video.